Feeling overwhelmed trying to keep track of all your virtual assistant tasks? Clockify can be your secret weapon for effortless time tracking, making billing a breeze and proving your value to clients. Let's dive in. First, head over to Clockify and create a free account. It's super quick. Once you're logged in, you'll land on the time tracker. This is where the magic happens. Before you start working, enter a description of the task you're about to do, like email management for client A. Now, assign it to the relevant project. If it's a new client or task, create a new project by clicking in the projects box and selecting new project. This keeps everything organized. For extra clarity, use tags. Click the Add Tag button. This could be something like social media management, data entry, or whatever best describes the type of work. Ready? Hit that Start Timer button. Clockify will now track every second you spend on the task. Focus on your work, knowing your time is being accurately recorded. When you finish the task, just hit stop. You can also manually enter time if you forgot to start the timer by clicking on the Add Time Manually button in the top right corner and inputting the hours. Now, for the best part, reports. Click on the Reports tab to see a breakdown of your time. You can filter by client, project, tag, and date range. Download these reports as a PDF or CSV to share with your clients. This provides transparent proof of your work and simplifies billing. Clockify also integrates with tons of other tools you might already be using, like Google Calendar and Asana, making your workflow even smoother. And that's it. With Clockify, you'll be a time tracking pro, impressing clients with your efficiency and organized billing. Subscribe for more VA tips and tricks.